Hi, I'm Emily. I'm an artist from New Zealand and I teach drawing and painting classes. This course is made up of my 3 online drawing classes in drawing portraits, including understanding the layout of the face, sketching eyes, noses and mouths, and the final portrait, a class that takes you through drawing and shading a portrait from start to finish. If you're new to drawing or if you're still struggling with drawing realistic looking faces, these 3 classes together will take your drawing to the next level. You'll learn how to break down the structure of the face to find the correct proportions for a portrait, tricks for drawing realistic features, and how to get a good illusion of 3-dimensional form using shading. Each class takes you through real-time drawing projects, so you can draw along with me and learn through practice as I discuss what I'm doing and why I'm doing it. Portraits are one of the hardest things to master, but this series of classes will teach you tips, tricks and practical methods for drawing portraits to give you the confidence to start drawing portraits on your own.